Hello everyone, this is Rahul. We all know there is a feature in Instagram that we can hide our stories with someone. For example, if I have 100 followers and I don't want those 5 people can see my stories, then I can hide my story with those 5 people. I can put them in a list where we can hide them, like whatever story I am posting, it will be not visible for them. So this is the steps that you can follow, but this video is for will they will know if you are keeping them in that list. Will they get any notifications or anything? So some people are worried, like if I am putting them in that list, will they know? So the answer is no. There is no any way that they can know that you have added their account in a hide list. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.